Start the project by cutting a 1-inch strap and beveling all sides. Make your buckle end by punching holes on either side of an oblong punch. Make your strap end with a smaller oblong punch and finish it with an end punch. Punch a hole in the center of the strap for your D-ring. Now, carve a border around the edges. Place your stamp on either side of the D-ring. Now, dye your stamps and your border. Dye the rest of the strap, sheen, and condition. Burnish all edges. Last, assemble. And now you have an Irish Delight collar.